Well, good morning, everybody. My name is Charlie Brown. I am WISeKey's Market Intelligence Desk Director here at NASDAQ, and it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the market site and today's opening bell. I'd now like to introduce NASDAQ's executive host for today, David Wicks, Vice President of Listings. David?
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, and good morning. It's truly my great pleasure to welcome WISeKey International and its founder, chairman, and chief executive officer, Carlos Moreira. I'd also like to extend a warm welcome to additional members of the WISeKey management team. I know we have board members here, shareholders, advisors, as well as many of WISeKey's employees who are following our celebration via online stream from WISeKey's headquarters in Switzerland and offices around the globe. We're excited that you could all join us right here from the crosses of the world in Times Square, New York, as we get set to ring today's opening bell. And I hope everyone agrees there's a lot to celebrate. First, let me congratulate everyone at WISeKey on your NASDAQ listing and first day of trading. We couldn't be more proud to welcome you to our family of the world's most innovative and leading companies. Secondly, we applaud WISeKey for its evolution into a leading global cybersecurity company by making the digital world safer as billions of devices have the groundbreaking WISeKey technology embedded. And last but not least, we're delighted to commemorate the 20th anniversary of WISeKey's incorporation. All of this deserves a huge round of applause. Hold your applause. Carlos, do you know the secret?
Yes. Be trusted and trust everybody through technology.
Well, that's not the secret I was going to share, but that is a good secret. So the secret of NASDAQ, the louder you guys clap and cheer, hoot and holler, the more the stock goes up. All right. So your proprietary technology provides secure authentication and identification for the Internet of Things, blockchain, and artificial intelligence. To date, over 3,500 corporations benefit from your solutions and the highest level of digital security. So Carlos, I know that this is definitely a team effort, and I do want to recognize you've assembled an exceptional group who together bring a wealth of experience in order to protect users, devices, data, and transactions in the connected world. We recognize all of you at WISeKey for your leadership, your energy, your passion, and wish you much continued success. NASDAQ is honored to be your partner, and we look forward to celebrating many more milestones with you. Now, please join me in welcoming WISeKey's founder, chairman, and CEO, Carlos Moreira. Carlos!
Great. Great. So thank you very much. And before anything, thank you for NASDAQ for giving us this amazing platform to develop our company to the next stage. As has been said, WISeKey is solving two very complex problems. One is that the internet is not secure. It was never secure. I was in Geneva when the web was invented 30 years ago in the UN. And from that moment, we realized that you need to have a major infrastructure, technology companies that they can solve the identity issue on the internet has never been solved. And now you need to also solve the object issue because the internet is connecting now 1 trillion objects to the internet. So that's what WISeKey does. We do it very well. First company in the world doing e-voting in Switzerland, or Swiss citizens vote with our technology. First company securing identities for governments. First company applying blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. First company connecting cars, secure cars to the internet. So we are delighted to be here. We really thank everybody. We thank our staffs, that they are been amazing staffs in France, in Vietnam, in Geneva, in the United States that has contributed to this success. We thank to our shareholders, our amazing board, my wife with 6 kids that has coped with me for so many years to trying to give me the right time to do it. And I really believe that WISeKey can help the United States to solve a major trust deficit that we are facing now on the internet. We don't trust anymore the internet, and we need to trust the internet because the internet is everything in our lives. So with that, I would like to thank everybody for all your amazing support. Again, thanks to the NASDAQ because they have been for many years contacting us to bring us here. We are so amazed and delighted, and it's such a big honor for us to be in the United States and now have the possibility with the name WISeKey to enter into the US and become a major player in cybersecurity. Another thing to say, we also launching tomorrow an application with the name My WISeID that start to protect your mobile phones. Download it, it's for free, and you can start from day one establishing your secure data life and data privacy on the internet. Thank you very much, everybody. It was great. Thank you very much.
I'm back. That is for you.
Thank you very much. Wow,
So-
beautiful.
Carlos, thank you for being our partner. Congratulations on your U.S. listing. We can't be more excited. And on behalf of our team, I'm proud to present you and your team with our opening bell crystal.
That's for you guys, for all of you.
Do a quick picture.